Howdy, this is David Gross, your Texas Tax and Lawman. Let's revisit the Beneficial Ownership Information Report required by the Corporate Transparency Act. I'm sure you're receiving emails and notices from banks, financial institutions, and third parties urging you to file this report for your small business or pay serious fines. Sadly, all of that is true. I started the year with a January 4th video alerting us all to this issue. My advice then was to wait until the fourth quarter to see where we stand. So, where do we stand? Lawsuits. Year to date, the National Small Business Association filed suit in Alabama and won the case that the Beneficial Ownership Information Report is unconstitutional. Unfortunately, that court victory only applies to the 65,000 members of the National Small Business Association. There are multiple other cases working their way through the court systems, but that's the only one that is final. Pending litigation. There are multiple bills pending in Congress which would delay enforcement of the law. However, there is no guarantee this law will be delayed or struck down before the $500 per day penalty goes into effect on January 1st, 2025. How about the new administration? While Trump won the election and will likely work to repeal the CTA and the BOI requirement, he does not take office until after the effective date. So, what do we do today? Well, each small business, corporation, LLC, or limited partnership that filed a certificate of formation with the Secretary of State needs to complete and file the BOI by 12/31/2024. This does not include trusts, which are private agreements and are not recorded with the Secretary of State. This also does not include large businesses that meet the qualifications for exemption. There's 3 of them. First, the business has to have over $5 million in revenue on the prior year's tax return. It has to have over 21 full-time employees and a commercial physical business location. So if you have a small business, which is not a trust or a large corporation, then you need to file a BOI for each of your legal entities. You can file online yourself at fincin.gov. If you need our help filing these reports for your small business, email us directly and we will be glad to serve you. Until next time, adios.